Today we're diving into how to video call grandkids on any device. If you want to get this right, stick around because what you're about to learn could save you time, money, and stress. Let's break down how to video call grandkids on any device. This is a topic that affects millions of Americans every year, yet most people don't have clear answers. We're going to fix that right now. I'll walk you through the key facts, the common mistakes, and what you should do next. Here's what the data tells us about how to video call grandkids on any device. First, the baseline: many people are overpaying or missing out on benefits they don't even know exist. Second, there are specific deadlines and requirements you need to be aware of. And third, the rules change frequently, so what was true even 2 years ago may be outdated today. When it comes to how to video call grandkids on any device, the most common mistake I see is people waiting too long to take action. By the time they realize they need to do something, they've already lost opportunities or incurred penalties that could have been avoided. The second mistake is not comparing options. There are almost always multiple paths, and the first one you come across is rarely the best. Here's your 3-step action plan for how to video call grandkids on any device. Step 1: do your research. Visit official government websites or trusted sources. Don't rely on social media posts or unverified advice. Step 2: compare at least 3 options before making any decision. Step 3: set a calendar reminder for any deadlines so you don't miss them. These 3 steps alone can save you thousands. If this was helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Drop a comment below with your questions. I read every one. Thanks for watching.